Your vote is precious, you must cast it. But do you waste it when you press nota? None of the above. The against all, or the scratch vote.
Do you believe in none of the above option, nota, in elections?
Obviously, it is a good option for people like me who are not interested. So none of the above option is a great option actually.
Option called nota. Do you have any opinion on that option?
There is any utility to it because at the end of the day, some or the other candidate will be selected. Exercising that option is futile.
Okay.
Right, you need to choose best of the worst.
नोटा का एक ऑप्शन होता है इलेक्शन कमीशन की जब आप वोट करने जाते हैं. आपका उस ऑप्शन के बारे में क्या कहना है?
INLD से ज़्यादा नोटा में वोट पड़ेंगे.
ऐसा क्यों लगता है आपको? मतलब INLD इतनी खराब पार्टी है आपके लिए?
नहीं, खराब नहीं है, मतलब उसका तो कभी देखा ही नहीं यहाँ पे, कुछ कोई नेता भी नहीं दिखा कोई ऐसा कुछ.
जब आप इलेक्शन वोट करने जाते हो नोटा का एक ऑप्शन आता है, नन ऑफ द अबव. डू यू थिंक दैट ऑप्शन इज वैलिड इन अ डेमोक्रेसी और इट शुड बी रिमूव्ड?
इट शुड बी रिमूव्ड क्योंकि आधे लोग तो देने नहीं जाते. उसका मतलब है कि किसी ने उनको फोर्स किया तो पैसे दिए कि जाओ वोट करो. मेरे ख्याल से 60% लोग देने भी नहीं जाते, शायद उनको पता भी नहीं था कोई सिस्टम होता है.
अगर आप नोटा भी सेलेक्ट करते हो तो बीजेपी के मेजोरिटीज़ की वजह से वो बायसिंग बीजेपी की तरफ ही जाएगा.
What happens to nota votes? They're counted, but they're considered invalid. The only time a nota vote counts is when they determine the forfeiture of deposit. Nota does not guarantee dismissal of the winning candidate. It only gives negative feedback. So what happens if nota gets the highest votes in a constituency? Nobody has the answer. The Election Commission has been seeking views, but no consensus yet. Maybe they should put that to vote as well. Jokes apart though, nota does affect numbers. Let's look at the 2014 election. There were more than 60 lakh nota votes in that election. That's more than 1% of the total vote share. In the Nilgiris, for instance, nota finished third, more than 46,000 votes. Perhaps because it was A. Raja Seeth, the man who was the face of the 2G scam. It explains the voters' decision and their disagreement with the candidates list. In 2014, across all elections in India, nota secured more than 1.3 crore votes. That's a big number. Which other countries have nota? And what's their experience with this vote? There are various versions. Spain, for instance, has a blank ballot. It's an indication of the disapproval of voters. In the US, the states of Nevada and California used to have nota, not anymore. Indonesia uses nota differently. Nota is used only when a single candidate runs for a seat. So the candidate technically contests against nota. There are two boxes, one for the candidate and one an empty box for nota. If the candidate fails to defeat nota, the election is repeated in a year. By the way, there's also a nota party. It's called No Candidate Deserves My Vote Party. Any guesses where it is? Two countries, the United Kingdom and Canada. In fact, in Britain, a candidate in 2010 changed his name from Terry Marsh to None of the Above X. In Canada, the None of the Above party, it's in Ontario, it asks its candidates to serve as independent representatives. Basically, it's symbolic. Which also brings us to the nota symbol. We have one in India, a black cross. You'll find it on the ballot. It stands for nota. The symbol was designed by the National Institute of Design in Ahmedabad. It appears on the last panel of EVMs. Should it be there at all? That debate is far from over. What's the point of a vote that is just a metric of voters' dislike of candidates? What do you think?